Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the live session brought to you by My Skills, My Future. Good evening, all. Really, it's a great time to be here with all awesome number of 9th and 10th standard students. Yeah, you all seems to be very enthusiastic. Welcome you all. Right. At this age, at this standard, you have fear of NTSE. How to crack this exam? Yes. Today I want to talk about NTSE. It is a national level scholarship program. It is most prestigious exam, not only about scholarship, but a matter of great pride and honor for every student to be recognized as nation's young talent. I hope I'll expect you people to be in the list of young talent. Right. This test will conduct every year at two levels. One is stage 1, second is stage 2. Stage 1 level exam conducted by state governments and stage 2 exam conducted by NCERT. Now in stage 1, again we have paper 1, paper 2. So paper 1 MAT, paper 2 SAT. MAT mental ability test, SAT scholastic aptitude test. Let me talk a little about MAT and SAT. SAT scholastic aptitude test, which consists of social science as well as mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology and everything. So 100 questions for 120 minutes, that is of 2 hours. Even MAT mental ability test, so we find all logical questions, logical thinking questions. There also you'll find 100 questions for 120 minutes. So each carries 1 mark. There is no negative marks for this. Fine. Every year almost 1 crore students appear for this exam for 1000 scholarships. In 2019, the number of scholarships rise from 1000 to 2000. It's great. Then what is the benefit of this one? If you write exam, definitely you get scholarships till your doctorate level, and also for professional courses like BTech and also medicine. Right. So the things I said very clearly, NTSE scholarship amounts for higher secondary level used to get 1250 rupees per month. If take year wise, it's around about 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees is not the small amount. Though your parents can give you a pocket money, or though your parents may afford, so it's very useful to every student. It is just like a pocket money, right? So, and also it's a great privilege, first of all. So in degree and graduate level, you used to get 2,000 rupees per month, and for PhD level, so the amount will be distributed as per the norms of UGC. Great. So preparing for this is very important. Many of the friends, they used to say that, sir, if I write exam, if I don't get scholarship, what can I do? Right? So is it not required to write the exam? Is it a waste of writing the exam? No. Writing exam or preparing for this helps the students to have deep understanding of concepts. It's very, very important. You should have to understand each and every concept very clearly. And moreover, you have to face many of the competitive examinations in the future. Because when you are writing competitive exam in the 10th standard, really that tests your ability where you are there in the competitive field, right? So great. So eligibility. Coming to the part of eligibility, right? All 10th standard students are quite eligible to write this exam. Great. It's open for all the 10th standard students. who are studying in India as well as abroad, they are quite eligible to write this exam. Fine. So, in this exam, how to score, especially MAT? Coming to the part of SAT, it is related to academics like physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. These are all related to academics. Then coming to the paper 1 MAT, it purely depends upon your way of thinking. It really measures the students' general reasoning, logical reasoning, observation skills, and also interpretational skills. You need to interpret the question. We need to understand and do the question within the shortest span of the time. Of course, you will find ample time. 100 questions for 120 minutes. That means each question is of 1.2 minutes. So we find ample time. Only thing is you must have the basic concepts to crack the question very clearly to get the good score. So MAT is the wonderful area where even students will enjoy. You all enjoy while doing MAT. Okay. Then what are the basic concepts are required, sir? How to get 100% score in MAT? Fine. So I requested all of you, being a 9th and 10th standard students, you are having basic concepts of basic knowledge of mathematics. I don't say that it is pure maths, right? So mathematical knowledge means simple tables, squares, and also cubes. You have to learn. Just keep in your mind all these things. This knowledge can be helpful to you to crack at any time. At whatever the style of question is given, you can crack it easily. Fine. Whenever you find the free time, you just give some work to your brain. Yes? 6 plus 7, 13. Oh, great. 13 plus 17, 30. 30 plus 41, 71. 71 plus 46, 117. Super. This kind of exercise is required to your brain because nowadays people used to calculate using pen. That's what the title itself indicates, mental ability test. We need to estimate everything with your brain. Following? So great. So try to calculate using your brain. For example, if you come to the table values, we need not use pen. 19 into 7. 19 can be divided as 10 plus 9. 19 into 7, 70 plus 63, 153. So this kind of practice is very, very important. Once if you practice, once if you be strong in the basic rules, then MAT becomes easy. Right? So this test your understanding level. This test your observation level. How you people are doing the question. Every question can be done by different people in different methods. But ultimately, we should get the answer in the fastest way. So this examination is purely to test your level of understanding. It's a national level scholarship program by Government of India. Fine. 8. Similarly, 19 minus 1, 8 by 2, I get 4. 6 minus 4, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now, after getting the logic behind this, let me go for the question. Question is given 8 at the rate 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So your answer is very clear. Hope you people are following. Great. Yes, all of you. Yes. I hope you are following my point. If anything is there, please kindly use chat box so that whatever the things you are going to post, I hope that you are following. Right? So coming to the part of this examination, right? Usually NTSE 1920 examination, level 1 examination is completed. Level 2 examination still it is online. So this is not, date is not announced because of this pandemic situation. Now in 2020-21, Level 1 exam, usually they used to conduct in the first Sunday of November. Of course, because of the situation, I think the examination may not be more than January. Maybe before January they used to conduct, right? So we used to wait for that and try to prepare, start your preparation from now itself, so that by the time whenever date is announced, so that you people get ready to write the exam. Hope you are following my point, right? Great. Now, so let's go to the second question. Now, here I want to talk with the different flavors. First question, I played with the numbers, right? Two women, A and B, are shopping, right, in a mall. They start from the same point, two women, right? I think this is about directions. Whenever you want to do direction problem, you must be very confident about direction, right? Now, so this is about direction: east, west, south, north. This is my style of considering the directions. Of course, most of the people, they used to say that here is north, here is east, here is south, here is west. I think this is very comfortable for me. Why? Because in the lower standard book, if you take like LKG, UKG, you'll see a man standing in front of the sun, stretching his hands. Is it right? So his face shows east, backward west, right side east, right side always called south. This is north. Great, right? Wonderful. So this direction shows very clearly to draw the picture reasonably. Now, two women A and B are shopping in a mall. They start from the same point. Fine. Let us take that AB. A walks 150 meter west, west in the sense down direction, right? 150. Then turns her right, her left, and walks 160. A person who is coming in opposite direction, his left is our right is his left. Great. Now turns her left, that means I'll take right turn, 160. B walks 140 east, that means B is traveling towards east direction, 140. Then turns south, walks 160. Great. 160. Then turns to her left and walks 120. Left 120. Super. 120. B is moving towards like this. A is moving here. Now A's final position is here. B final position is here. Where is B with respect to A? With respect in the sense from. Right? From. With respect means from A, where is B? Let me talk very clearly. A. From A, where is B? B is here. What is the distance here? 150, 140 and 120. 120, 140, 150, right? So this is very clear. 290 plus 120. Your answer is very clear. 410 east. So your answer is second option. I hope you are following my point. Yeah, welcome you all. Thank you very much. Your participation, very nice, right? I hope you are following my point. Great. Now I've completed two questions with the different flavors. One is I played with the numbers. Second is about direction sense. Following my point? Great. Let me move to the next question. Right. Now in this question, I request all of you just have a glance and tell me the right answer. Now the question is displayed on the screen, all of you, right? Great. What will complete the series pension, attitude, captain, tropical, autopay? Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, fine. Yes, what is the answer? Anyone, can you type the answer? Great. Yeah, right. Now here, pension, attitude, captain. See, I'm not going to think about the meaning of the words. If you think logic, these are all pure common sense, right? Fine. Now here, if you look at very seriously, P is there in the first place, P is there in the second place, it is in the third place, it is in the fourth place, it is in the fifth place. I hope you are very clear. It is in the sixth place. Super. Boss, who will expect all these things? Preparation is required. Preparation is required. This is very important. Funny. Is it right? Great. Wonderful, boss. Let me share another question. Quickly is coded as quickly, right? Is coded as OSGAIJW. Then HUE is coded what? Great. Now this is related to letter series or letter coding. Whenever you want to play with letters, you must know the place values of alphabets. Of course, you need to by heart all the values. A value 1, C value 3, O value 15, D 4, H 8, I 9, K 11, G 7, Z 26. Super. So we need to by heart all these things. See, to do any question, some kind of effort is required. If I want to do this question accurately, I need to keep effort of learning the alphabetical values. Excellent. Super. Is it right? Great. Now, let me write clearly. This value is 17, 21, 9, 3, 11, 12, 25. Let me write here 15, 19, 7, 1, 9, 10, 23. Fine. So whenever you apply all the values, all the place values, now your logic becomes easy. Now here, decreased by 2. 21, 19, increased by 2. 9, 7, decreased by 2. It is also decreased by 2, right? Following my point, right? So this is decreased, decreased, everything is decreased ultimately. Now let me go here. 8, 21, 5. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 means F. Fine. Of course, you are very clear. Your answer is 2 because you should be very smart in giving the answers. Why? Because F is the first letter which is available in the second choice. We need not do all the terms. Is it right? Even I don't entertain you to do all the terms, right? No. So F is the first letter. Of course, you will get 21 minus 2, 19. It is nothing but yes. 5 minus 2, 3, right? It is C. Hope you are clear. I hope you are following my point. Is it right? Yes. Hope you people are following. Great. Right. Move to the next one. Introducing Rita. Okay. Introducing Rita. Monica said, she is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Great. Super. Now this is about blood relation. Of course, relation you are all pretty well, right? So mother, father, uncle, grandfather, grandmother, niece, nephew, right? Let me read the question carefully and slowly. Introducing Rita, Monica said. Now Monica is telling. She is the only daughter of. She means who? Rita. Rita is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Who is my father's only daughter? Is my sister. My sister's daughter, right? My father's only daughter is not my sister. Only is given. It is nothing but myself, right? So my daughter is Rita. Now, how this Monica related to Rita? Absolutely mother. Now she is talking about her daughter. Monica is telling Rita is my daughter. Instead of telling like that, she is telling that she is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. My father's only daughter is Monica, myself. My daughter is Rita. So this is a slight confused and somewhat funny, right? That's what I said, mental ability test. Super, right? What will be the completed series? So here 6, 10, 18, 34, question mark, 130. Great. Now this is about number series. What comes in the place of question mark? To do all these things, I said very clearly, give some work to your brain. Give some work to learn squares or cubes. It's very, very important. These all can fetch you to do the what you call mental ability question or to face any of the competitive examinations. Fine. Let me talk about this. Increment here 4 increased. Here increased plus 8. Here increased almost all plus 16. 4 minus 8, 6. 2 minus 1, 6. I think you understood very clearly what kind of increment. 4, 8, 16 means what? It is increasing double. So shall I expect here 32? Okay, if it is increased by 32, my value is nothing but 66. Anyway, we'll go for cross check whether other value will be suitable to that. Now 32 means double 64 increased. If I add both, I get 130. That means my gesture of increment double is right. Is it clear all of you? So my answer is super. Boss, I'm doing here different flavor of the questions which are the replicas of MAT. Follow my point. We should be very careful and cautious. Learn all these things. Great. We have played with letters. We are playing with numbers. We have done blood relations, direction sense, and the numerical values play. Right? Excellent. Now, find the odd number from the given alternate. What is odd number? Odd number in the sense, out of these 4 groups, one group is wrong. That wrong number you have to pick up. Wrong in the sense, this group does not fit in the group. All groups are falling same except one. Shall I go through this? Come on, let us substitute. 4, 1, 5, 8, 11, 9, 13, 16, 8, 5, 9, 12, 6, 3, 7, 10. Super. Excellent. Now, this is reduced by minus 3, plus 4, plus 3. Here minus 2, here plus 4, plus 3. I think both are different. Here minus 3, plus 4, plus 3. I think these two are similar. Even that also will find similar. So your odd number is KIMP, which is not following the logic of others. Now, here is minus 3, here is plus 4, here is plus 3. Of course, first one, third one, fourth one, these 3 groups are similarity is there, except the second one. Are you following my point? This is nothing but we are classifying the letters. Is it clear all of you? Wonderful. Next question. Select the related letters from the given alternatives. Okay, fine. Now, if you see the question, the structure is different. Something is given is to something is as to something. This is called analogy. Okay? Analogy. What is analogy, boss? Analogy is nothing but corresponding or similarity. How the similarity? See here, if you find the relation between these two, you also find the same relation between these two. Is it clear, all of you? Right? See, I want to know the relation first to these two, then I'll get definitely. Follow my point? Super. Now, if I want to find the relation, definitely I have to substitute. Great. Okay, let me go here. This is 18, 9, 7, 20, 23, 4, 2, 25, 6, 21, 19, 8. Great. Now here, let me calculate plus 5. Okay, this is minus 5, this is minus 5, and this is plus 5. Yeah, exactly. The logic is given in a stylish fashion, right? Very style. Logic is given. Now, plus 5, minus 5, minus 5, plus 5. Let me apply. Plus 5, 11, that is K. Minus 5, 16, P. Minus 5, 14, N. Plus 5, 13, M. So your absolute answer is KPNM. Hope you are clear, right? So this is purely about the way you substitute all these things. Following my point? Following my point? Great. Now almost I have done 3 questions which are related to letters. Is it clear, all of you? I hope you people are following. One is about classification, second is about series, third is about analogy, right? So this gives the wonderful information, and you come to know very clearly how we are killing the problem. With respect to the letters, if you find the letters, if you can able to put the numbers on that, then you find the logic. Following? Great. Right. Now read the question, all of you, for some time. The question is very simple, logically given. Right. Let me read the question properly. At a college party, 5 girls are sitting in a row. Great. Now sometimes they'll give the sentence, 5 girls are sitting in a row facing towards north, facing towards south, facing towards east, whatever it may be. Do not worry about these words. Direction is default. Suppose if I am standing here, this is my left. Great. This is my right. Clear? So don't think more about that. Right? Now, 5 girls are sitting in a row. P is to the left of M, right? M left side, because this is my left, and to the right of O. Great. O right. R is sitting to the right of N. R is sitting to the right of N, but to the left of O. Who is R? But to the left of O. Great. R is right of N and left of O. Who is in the middle? I got 2 what you call preparations, this and this. So I want to mix both the figures. Then how can I write? Come on. Come on. Now I'll write N, R, O, continuation, O, P, M. This figure satisfies the whole equation. Satisfy the whole equation. Now the question is, who is sitting in the middle of the row? Answer is O. Super. Clear? Yes? Boys and girls, I hope you are following my point. Right? So please try to understand at least what I am giving explanation. If you are unable to do the problem, at least try to understand. This gives wonderful pleasure. Is it right? Definitely you will get maza. Right? Now, next question. Okay. This question gives 128 plus 9 minus 16 into 4. Great. Now, as per the Bodmer's, mathematical operation can be done by Bodmer's rule. Boss, what Bodmer's says? Let me write. Bodmer's says, first remove the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Super. So we need not do the process or simplification not according to our style. The default rule is given, that is called Bodmer's. Of course, in our question we don't find bracket as well as half. Wherever you find off, write into. Fine. but the conditions are given. What are the conditions? Read it. Plus stands for multiplication. Great. Minus stands for addition. Great. Into stands for division. Then what is the value of this? Come on. Let me substitute the values or substitute the symbols. Plus stands for into. Minus stands for plus. Into stands for minus. According to the rule of Bodmas, what Bodmas says, right? Into plus minus, first let me do into. Right? Come on. 9 8s are 72, 7. 9 2s are 18, 15, right? 25. 9 1s are 9, 11. So I got the value 1152 plus 16 minus 4. That means I need to add 12 only, right? So the value is 4, 6, 1, 1. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? So plus 16 minus 4. Check once again. 9 8s are 72. 9 2s are 18. 18 7 15. 9 1s are 9 10. Yeah, exactly. This is not 1152, 1052. Add 12, right? Because plus 16 minus 4. So 4, 6, 0, 1. Is it right? I think we are not, we don't have the choice. I think it may be 1156. Is it right? So anyway, Bodmas rule, if you use Bodmas rule, try to follow the order: multiplication, addition, subtraction. Of course, addition, subtraction, you can use whatever you want. Is it right? Fine. Let me move to the next one. Bablu ranked 16th from the top. Now this is a ranking test, right? So far we have done calculation oriented questions. Now knowledge oriented questions, common sense questions, logically and common sense, right? So this mixture of mental ability, right? Now Bablu ranked from the top 16, 29th from the bottom. So hope you people are following. Yes, wonderful. So Bablu ranked from the top 16. Let me draw the picture. From the top, Bablu 16th rank. That means above there are 15 people are there, right? That is a simple information. Now, and 29th from the bottom. This person is 29th from the bottom, right? That means 28 people are there. Among those who passed an examination, this is the clear picture. So by looking at this data, we find the total number of people. So here 15 plus Mr. Bablu plus below him 28 people are there. Altogether 28 plus 1, 29 plus 15. So 44 people are there in the class. Great. Now 6 boys did not appear or participate in the exam. 6 people not attempted. That means maybe they become absent. And 5 failed in the exam, right? So those who have written exam and they failed 5. Whatever it may be, all includes in the class. Is it right? All comes under the enrollment of the class. Now, how many boys are there in the class? How many people are there in the class? Excellent, boss, right? This is 6 plus 5 also we need to take. 11 people if we add, so 55. Your answer is very clear. Clear, all of you? Yes? I hope you are following my point. So this kind of way of preparation, way of thinking is very, very important. Read the question. I'm not reading the whole question at a time. Right? Try to learn from this age to make yourself strong in the competitive field. Read the question sentence wise and then put it on the paper. What is the given data? If a man is 16th from the top means definitely 15 people are there above the person. And a 29th person from the bottom. So definitely 28 people are there. So altogether we find the total number of people. If this sentence is not given, right? Suppose 5 people and 6 people, right? So this sentence is not given. Your answer is only 44. So we used to give this one. But extra information is given. What is that? 6 people, they have not written exam. And 5 people, even though they have written exam, they failed. That means 11 people we need to include in the total number of section. So your answer is 55. I hope you are following me. So whenever theoretical questions are given, you should be a little cautious. Great boss, right? Wonderful. Now let me go through the next question which is there on the screen. Yeah. Arrange the following words: scarf, scene, shell, survey, stream in the order of the dictionary. I hope you're all pretty well because used to see the dictionary. So in the dictionary, first letter, after that it will go on increasing alphabetical order. Now in the given words, yes is there everywhere, right? Great. Next, yes after usually we get A is not there. C, that means it may be first choice or second choice, right? So this may not be there. This may not be there. It may be first choice or second choice. That's what I deleted third option. This is the way of killing the problem. Is it right? Now, if you look at first and second, SC is there, SC is there, fine. So first and second. Now apart from that, SC A is there, right? So second choice won't come first. Yes. So first one is SC definitely. Apart from that, A, right? After that you get 2, E. Next 2 letters are there. 3 letters we covered. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now 1, 2. Next is H. Is it right? C after you get H. 3. Right. 3. H. Next letter must be U or T. Which will come first? U will come first or T will come first? T will come first. That means fifth one. I think your answer is clear. First word 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 in the sense 3, 3, 3, yes. So 9. Here 9 numbers, 9 numbers. Great. Okay. Which digit is 7th to the right of 7th to the right from 10th from right? 10th from left. So this kind of questions we need to handle from the back side. Right? We need to handle from the back side. Right. So from left side 10th. From left is where? So this is my left, this is my right. I said very clearly direction is default. This is my left, this is my right. If I stand like this, this is my left, this is right. Great. Okay. Super. Now see left side 10th, this one. For this right side 7. Right side 7 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 3. Super. Hope you are clear. Follow my point. Yes. So this is one kind of play boss. Here we are not using, you are not taking risk. It's a very simple strategy. Right? Okay. So this kind of questions to handle, you must be very careful. So better count it. Suppose if you get 19 numbers, so 9 and 10 or 10 and 9, you can divide like that. So counting becomes easy. Follow my point? Super. So let me continue with another question, right? I hope you people are following because we are doing different flavors of the questions. Is it right? So we have done letter series, number series, coding, decoding, blood relation, play with symbols, right? And also direction. So alphabetical values, ranking test, everything. Kindly observe each and every question. What kind of questions we are going to face? Following? Great. Now, this is nothing but relations. Apart from that, extra level. This is called coded relation. You'll find for every relation they used to give some symbol. Okay, right. Here plus means A is a brother of B. So here plus is nothing but brother. Super. Minus means A is husband of B. So I'll write clearly plus means brother, minus means husband. Okay. Into means mother. Okay. Divided means sister. Great. So they have given this what you call expression and asking the question, how Mr. P related to O? Great. Okay. Shall we start solving the question? Before that, we need to what you call substitute the values. Right? Now, plus means brother, divided by means sister, minus means husband, into means mother and also mother. So I substitute the given codes. Okay, right. Now let me draw the picture. Let me prepare the family tree. Whenever you find the family tree, it's easy to identify who is related to whom. Following? Great. Now let me draw the picture. Here I would like to give the clue. Whenever a brother relation is given, use this symbol. Sister relation, brother and sister, this. Husband relation is this symbol. Mother relation is down symbol. Parents symbol. Let me go through. P brother of R. P brother of R. R sister of T. Great. T husband of K. Great. Okay. K mother of O. O mother of C. Super. Mother in the sense she must be on the top level. Once again, this shows the clear symbolic representation of the family. So P brother of R, R is sister of T, T husband of K, definitely K become wife, that means symbol is minus. So K is mother of O, O is mother of O, sorry, O is mother of, sorry, C. This is C. Now question is, how P related to O? Now P related to O. O father T, father brother is nothing but uncle. That means paternal uncle. Great. Father side, paternal uncle. Super. I hope you understood clearly. Is it right? If mother's brother, we used to call him as maternal uncle. I hope you are good in relations. Is it right? Nowadays, you people are calling all the people as uncle. So you need to discriminate. If he is from father side, paternal uncle. If he is from mother side, maternal uncle. Great. Now here, O father is K, K sister and brother. Of course, we want to talk about P. So father's brother is paternal uncle. Great. I hope you are clear. Follow my point. So this kind of questions, always if you practice, definitely you will get a lot of grip on that. Is it right? Fine. Let me go through the another question. Right. This question seems to be very simple calculations. This shows the real talent of the student. So most of the people, they used to do traditional method as per your knowledge. Fine. 40% of 265 plus 35% of 180 is equal to 50% of x. Super. Wonderful. Now, especially in calculations, you should be alert, please. People used to do that 40 by 100 into 265. This kind of expression does not works. Of course, you get answer pakka, but whereas it is a time killing. Now let us do in a smart method, right? Okay. Right. See, 40%. Okay, 40% of 265. In 265, 10% is, right, 26.5. When I get 10%, to make 40% is easy to multiply. So I just want to multiply with 4. 4 5s are 20, 2, 24, 26, 2, 8, 10, 106. Super. Plus 35%. 10% is given. Into 3, you get 30%. That is 54. And I want to estimate 5%. 10% is 18. In this half, that is 9. So altogether 35%, the value is 63, which is equal to 50% of x. Now almost all, whole question is completed, right? Whole question is completed, right? So this is very clear. If I add 9, 6, 1 is nothing but 50% means half of x. Just do cross multiplication, you get the answer, right? I think we have the round figure only 2 options, which is ending with 8. 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 13, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Hope you are following my point. Is it right? Is it right? Of course, every number, let me explain once again. 180 in this is called 100%. This part is called 10%. This part, 1 point, is called 1%. Whenever you are able to identify 1%, 10%, 100%, your calculation becomes simple. Hope following. Great, brother. Right? So move on to the next one. Yes. So I hope you understood all the questions. I explained almost all the flavors of the examination of MAT. All kind of questions from each and every topic which were appeared in the previous exam. Right? We have discussed very clearly. This gives the basic knowledge how is MAT exam. Hope you people are enjoyed. Is it right? So in MAT exam, preparation is required. So I hope you understood clearly. If you really like our classes, please press bell icon and subscribe our channel. Right? Hope we are going to conduct these sessions every day to give explanation of the previous examination papers. This gives what you call basic knowledge, what kind of questions will come and how we are doing. This gives the clear information, right? Hope you are very comfortable in this session. So you're all enjoyed. So thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Thank you one and all.